Hi, this is Diane from Creative Memories Home Office. Today we are showing you some simple steps to work through a recipe template. And the first thing you do is choose the template that you want to use. So today we're using the Mosaic recipe template, which has really nice designs, almost like a quilt pattern. And then you choose your paper. So I'm choosing several tonal sheets from the Everyday Shades paper pack. You'll see that one side of a Creative Memories paper pack is usually tonal, the other side has more design. So you can mix and match these with whatever combination works for you. And the next thing you'll do is choose your photos. So I've chosen a couple of photos that have some blues and some lighter, light blues with the water with some orange and yellow. So I'm popping it with some orange and yellow. And then this is a really simple process. So you're going to take your multi-purpose clips and you're going to clip it to the template and the paper that you've chosen. So usually what you do is choose a base sheet that you're going to create on. Or that way you can add the pieces as you want to. So it's really easy to take a tonal sheet and then add as you cut. So I'm going to show you a really simple way. You start tracing on the back of the paper. So I'm actually choosing another sheet or another cut with the orangey yellow color. And so what I'm doing is taking my pencil and just tracing where I want that shape. And then once I'm done tracing with a pencil, then you'll see that this is the other side of my paper. And I'm next going to cut. So I'm going to use my microtip scissors. And I will share with you, I did use the dotted paper and I traced the whole sheet because I may go back and add some of those pieces later. And then you can use your 12-inch trimmer if your pieces are straight. And I'm using the scissors because they're quick and easy, and it just depends on speed and really what shape you're going for. Oh, and you can see that I've kind of have to watch where your pencil goes. So I've cut this shape and my tracing is on the back, and then this piece I may decide to put well, anywhere really. So I might choose to put this one under here. And this just depends on, where I'm going with my design. I can take it as far as I want to. I can make as many additions as I want to. And then adding my pictures, I might add 2 more pictures. I've cut my pictures with my photo labeling pencil, and I can make smaller pictures. I can do whatever I want with this. I mean, the sky's the limit. The fun part is that it's so creative and it's so fun, and to piece it together and then add your photos. So there are so many great designs. Take a look at the Creative Memories catalog for more recipe template ideas. In the catalog currently we have the Sunshine recipe template, and you can just go so far using recipe templates. We can't wait to see what you do with the Creative Memories recipe templates.